Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add locations in QuickBooks Online. This powerful feature helps you organize your financial data by different business sites or departments. By setting up locations, you can easily track sales, expenses, and profitability for each specific area. This is especially useful for businesses with multiple physical stores, warehouses, or even distinct operational divisions. Let's dive into the setup process. To begin, log into your QuickBooks Online account and click the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab on the left-hand side. Scroll down to the Categories section and locate Track Locations. Toggle this option to On and then click Save to apply your changes. Now that location tracking is enabled, let's create your specific locations. Return to the gear icon and this time select All Lists. From the list of options, choose Locations. Here, you'll see any existing locations or an empty list. Click the New button to add a new location. Enter a descriptive name for your location, like Main Street Store or Online Sales Department, and then save it. With your locations set up, you can now assign them to various transactions, including invoices, expenses, and bills. Simply select the appropriate location from the drop-down menu when creating or editing a transaction. This allows you to run detailed reports, such as profit and loss by location, giving you clear insights into each site's financial performance. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. This helps you keep your car smelling fresh while you manage your business finances.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.